Awesome 2008 Saturn VUE. This is an XE all-wheel drive V6 edition. This car has no rust on it. It's extremely well maintained throughout. Inside and out, it's clean. Mechanics are all good on it. Drives fantastic. Really nice with the 6-cylinder motor in it. Got alloy wheels, power driver seat, windows, locks, tilt, cruise, CD, auxiliary line in, seating for 5, non-smoker, interior's like new, drives fantastic. Drove it in from Mentor myself. Everything works on it, runs and drives as it should. No lights on the dash. Lots of get up and go. This vehicle is going to qualify for a 3-month, 4,500 miles service contract over the drive line. You're also going to get guaranteed credit approval on this Saturn. Again, it's very well maintained inside and out. The starting down payment close to $595. $595 and up starting on this Saturn. Great company. Super reviews on Google. It's the Das Cleveland way. Drive off, be happy, tell your friends. Das Cleveland.